For our Suite 2 guests with vehicles, your parking space is located on the right-hand side at 2 Charles Street. Once you've parked, you'll follow this video to access your unit. Head towards St. Philip Street. Once there, you'll take a right-hand turn onto St. Philip Street and continue on the sidewalk. You'll want to pass this driveway on the right, both the blue and pink house, until you're greeted with Tully Alley. Once you're here, you'll take a right-hand turn and head towards the end of the alley. Once at the end of the alley, you'll want to continue past the pink house on the left and walk towards this black gate with the number 5 on it. You'll enter your unique key code here and press pound for access. Once you're through the black gate, you'll want to keep right of the koi pond, and your unit is on the right-hand side labeled Suite 2.